Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Here with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to make a spooky recipe. We're going to make a Halloween special just for you guys. I was watching a video the other day from, I think it was Chef John, foodwishes.com. He makes, he's a chef. Anyway, that's where I know that's where I got this recipe from, but basically what it is, it's with mini little ghosts. They're going to look like mini Casper ghosts or whatever, made out of ground beef. But anyway, we'll get to it. You'll get to it once we show you what to do. Anyway, you guys are going to enjoy this, and they taste pretty good. All right, let's go. Okay, simple ingredients. This here is practice one we were doing just to see how it turned out. But anyway, I put a mat on here. You can just spray a pan with pan spray if you want. It's simple enough. You get your own meatloaf recipe. If not, I'm going to put one in the description. But this is Penny's meatloaf recipe. It always turns out good. We got some spaghetti sauce there. Next to that, you got some provolone cheese. So that being said, that's all there is. You see, there's nothing else here. Only thing we got to do now is turn on the oven. Okay, so what I want to do, I'm using a portion scoop, a 2-ounce size, and this is a pound of ground beef. Hopefully get somewhere around 8 or 9 of these things. So I'm just going to fill that up. I'm going to roll it into a little ball here like so. Okay, and then we're going to just kind of, with your fingertips, just kind of form. You're trying to make like a pear shape or a ghost. You're going to try to make it like, I don't want to say a ghost, but a pear-shaped meatball kind of deal. I always say the first one or two come out like crap, but there you go. That's another one, huh? I'm going to do one more, and then after that, I'm going to give you guys a break while I finish the rest up. I'm trying to conserve my battery power, that's all. Okay, see? Again, just roll, and then you take them and you try to form out like a little pear shape, pushing down and pulling up at the same time. I know it sounds weird, but see? Or maybe an upside down mushroom, I guess you can call it here. Huh? Like this here. There you go. That's pretty good, huh? All right. You guys talk me into it. One more. I like these portion scoops because it pretty much is, everything's about the same size, so it'll cook the same amount of time. You won't have one bigger than the other, and anything, whether it's this or something else. There's a class I was taking, or I am taking. The one guy says something about the consistency of cut is the consistency of cook. What he's trying to mean by that is if everything's cut the same, it'll cook the same. You won't have something done more than the other, see? But anyway, that's what I got going here, trying to keep everybody the same size. And it's called mini ghosts, And when we get done, I hope it looks the way it looked on what's his name's video thing there. Okay, let me finish up the rest of these and we'll be back. Well, my oven just beeped, but look what we got here. We got 8 little gonna be ghost guys. We'll put these in the oven. We'll see you about 20 minutes. Okay, so they're out of the oven. I just checked them with the thermometer. They're running for 20 minutes, 150 degrees, internal temp. Now we're gonna apply the cheese. Just drape it over the top. The residual heat, as you can see on the first piece, is already melting. And some of the meat has changed shape, which is okay. No ghost is all the same. All different shapes and sizes, just like people. That's where the ghosts come from, right? Oh, how many of you don't believe in ghosts? Well, we're here to prove you wrong. Oh, let me shut that timer off, huh? But this is a nice little treat for the kid and all of us. Wait till you see it. It ain't done yet. Okay, what I'm going to do right now, they're drooping as you can see, but I'm looking at the tops here. I don't want the meat coming through, but I'm going to stick these in the back of the oven for a couple seconds, let that cheese melt, and we'll take it out. We'll be back. Okay, we decided that we're going to put a little cap on them, like a little hat, just in case. I don't want to see the meat come through the top of the cheese, you know what I mean? So, but we're not done with them yet, though. We're going to make them look nice. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we took them out of the oven. As you can see, the different stages of melting cheese. But I got camera girl decided to help me, and she's showing us her work of art there. Can you see? 2 eyes and a mouth way over here in the corner. And we're still not done. We got one more presentation to make, and we'll be back. Okay, my friends, I would like you to see my little group of little mini ghost men. Don't they look pretty cool, huh? Look at that. All right. Okay, as you can see, what you do is you take some sauce, like Chef John did. He'd use barbecue sauce and ketchup. I just took straight spaghetti sauce. I thought this would be like a meatball and cheese, make spaghetti sauce. But like he's in a puddle of blood. Don't that look pretty cool? Or as Penny would say, that looks ghoulish. Okay. Okay, welcome to the taste test table. These things turned out really cool. They each melted a different way. Some of them looked like that green thing in Ghostbusters. Some of them look really cool, though. I mean, really cool. But it's a nice little treat. We figured the holidays was coming up, and I saw this on foodwishes.com the other day, like I said. And I said, oh, I got to try this. Penny was all in. So, and I know my daughter probably will like it because she's a Halloween fanatic. So, like I said, this was in 20 minutes, and as you can see, the meat turned out perfect. Internal temperature was about 150 when I took it out, 151. And I know that because I used my meat thermometer. And this is Penny's meatloaf recipe. Like I said, that's delicious. But like I said, when Chef John did his, he mixed barbecue sauce and I forget now what else it was. But he liked it that way. The barbecue sauce and ketchup, that's what he did. But they're like, this is like perfect, for the adults to have a little party. The kids will love this with the little design, the cheese. All the kids like meatballs and cheese, right? With some sauce. I don't think I would have liked it with the barbecue sauce and the ketchup, but this is a definite keeper. It's cute as hell for the holiday time. Total prep time, as long as you know what you're doing with the meatloaf. Penny didn't even need her recipe. She just had it in her head and just, it was done. Besides looking good and really cool for the holidays, thanks to Chef John, he put it out there. Haven't seen it anyplace else, but it tastes good. I never would have thought of that idea, but I'm glad I tried it. Okay, so back to business. When you're out and about, cover up. Protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands, wash your hands. When you're in the car and out and about, make sure you take some of that sanitizing spray or that gel with you. You come out of a store, you get in the car, first thing to do, wash your hands again. Drive off. If you're going home, that's fine. When you get there, wash your hands. If not, you're going to another store, spray some of that stuff again. Keep that COVID at bay, okay? And then don't remember, don't talk with your mouth full unless it's a surprise dish like this. Perfect for the holidays, perfect for snacks. You can actually make this for like a football game for you die-hard losing Falcons fans. This will be pretty good. All right, that was out to certain people that know who they are. But anyway, give me a thumbs up. Share with all your friends, family. Even if you don't like them, share it with them. They like to eat too, I'm sure. Hit the notification bell if you haven't subscribed yet. If you have subscribed, then you won't need to worry about the notification bell. But if you hit subscribe, notification bell will pop up. You hit that, and that'll notify you every time we have a nice dish like this. So, my friends, this is Mr. Dan saying once again, stay hungry, my friends. And when you are, come back, and we'll have another dish just like this. So, we're out for now. Have a nice day.